parents, Mrs. Naima Khan and Dr. Mansoor Khan, the late Mansoor Khan, are the founders of Khan's tutorial. I was only a young child, similar to your children's age when my parents started.
Thank you, Khan Tutorial, for awarding the kids, and thank you to all the teachers for putting up with the kids. And thank you to all the parents for dealing with the kids at home.
We're doing a great job. I hope everybody is happy, and we wish everybody good luck. And I hope everyone in the class make it to a good high school.
We can become stronger and more unified. All the languages, right? Let's move forward together. আমরা সবাই একসাথে পার হই, because if we're not together, you can see what can happen to us in the news. All right, so today's ceremony is dedicated to your children, but also the prayers for a peaceful resolution immediately.
For all the teachers who are helping Khan Tutorial, and you guys have a good teachers here.
Thank you to my family and my teachers, because my dad gave me here to improve my education.
Thank you everyone, thank you especially Khan's family, and especially here is all teachers. They are very friendly and they educated to my child very nicely, and when I give to him to the third grade to the Khans, after that he improved a lot. Now he is very good. He is the number one in the school.